Have you ever bound off a cuff and hem and found it was too tight? I definitely have. Cuffs and hems are supposed to be stretchy. To prevent this from happening, I now use the suspended bind-off technique. Here's how I do it. This is my sample. I knit this part in stocking net and then this to represent a cuff in a knit 1, purl 1 rib. To begin the suspended bind off, first you want to slip the first stitch off the left needle onto the right needle. Then knit 1 stitch. After, you want to insert the left needle into the first stitch on the right needle and bring it over the second stitch, leaving the first stitch on the left needle. Next, knit the next stitch on the left needle. Pull it and remove both stitches off. You've now bound off 1 stitch and you have 2 stitches on your right needle. You continue by slipping the first stitch on the right needle over the second stitch, leaving it on your left needle, knitting the next stitch on your left needle, and removing both stitches. You've bound off another stitch. You continue in this way until all of your stitches have been removed. Slip it over the right stitch on the right, keeping it on the left. Knit the next one on the left, slip both off. Slip it over, knit, and knit both stitches. Do it one more time and show you what the bind off looks like. This is what the bind off looks like. It makes a very stretchy bind off. Great for cuffs and hems. Leave a comment below and let me know how this technique worked for you. To find your next knitting pattern, check out theknottingway.com and my social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click that bell. Happy knitting!